going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to do license plate lights on your 2008 to 2014 Imprezas WRX STI sedan. This is only for sedans. If you have a hatchback, you need to look for something else because this is not for you. But today I'm going to be doing license plate lights, and it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. And anyways, let's jump into it. So a little bit of backstory. I installed a backup camera on this car, and this camera came, it's hard to see, with little LEDs on it to try to help light up my license plate, but they have since burnt out, and now I am relying on this one bulb to light up this entire plate. So that's not going to really work because I know I'm going to get pulled over any second. So with that being said, AUXITO was nice enough to send over some license plate lights for me. These are going to be very bright, and what I got in here already is from the previous owner. I don't know what's in there, but they're not very good and they kind of flicker a little bit. So I'm pretty excited to get these and try these out. So what I'm also going to do in this video, I'm going to compare the LEDs that are currently in this car to the AUXITO ones. Right off the bat, the packaging of these are already very nice. There's a little tab right here for you to pull back to get to the LEDs inside of there, but these are sealed really good. Let's go ahead, open this package and take a look at the bulbs. So taking a closer look at this LED, you can see how many little LEDs there are around this entire thing. So I'm going to suspect that this is going to do the job for getting things lit up back here. So let's go ahead, open up the trunk, and I'm going to show you how to pop these babies in there. Now when you do this, all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I like to open the trunk so that I have easy access to this light right here. Now if you have both lights, you're obviously going to do both, and it would be the same install for each side. So all you're going to do is just remove each one of these screws, and this housing will come completely out, and there's a rubber gasket under here to keep the moisture out of there. You're just going to take the plastic off, take the gasket off, and then you're going to have access to the bulb underneath here. As you can see, once those screws are loose, this whole thing just kind of comes apart. There's the plastic, there's the gasket. Let's get this kind of the rest of the way out of here. Okay, there we go. And so there is the LED that's currently in here. And this whole thing can come right out. So you can give yourself a little bit of working room here. So a quick side-by-side. Here's the bulb I just took out, and here's the AUXITO bulb. As you can see, there's a million LEDs on there, and the competitor, whatever brand this is, just has one LED inside of that little housing. So let's go ahead, put it in, wait until nighttime, and then we'll get some comparison photos. Alright, so the LED's in now. As you can see, it fits. It definitely stands out inside of there. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be super bright. So let's go ahead, jump in the car, turn on the lights, see what it looks like. Alright, I'm just going to turn my headlights on. We'll go look at how bright it is. Dude, oh my gosh. It's incredible. Like, just in the daytime, it's already blinding. Holy crap. Way better. It's like I can actually read the entire plate with one bulb. Imagine if there's two bulbs. You know, the third brake light kind of throws it off a little bit, but if you just focus on that, it is so bright, and you can see over here it just lighting up the ground all the way along the edge of the garage. So that's definitely putting out some good light there. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I'll make sure I put a link for the bulbs in the description. If you want to pick these up, I highly recommend them. They're very nice and very bright. They'll get the job done. So anyways, like, subscribe if you're not already. Those who are already subscribed, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching all the videos. We'll see you in the next one. Later.